Hey everyone, thanks so much for stopping by today. Today I am doing a quick room tour as well as a brief hotel review for the Home2 Suites in Owasso, Oklahoma, which is near Tulsa. We stayed for 2 nights with 4 people. The rooms do sleep up to 6 people comfortably. I'll be doing a brief room tour and show you the pool as well as the lobby and the breakfast buffet. If you're new to my channel, thanks so much for stopping by. If you love travel, resort reviews, and travel vlogs, as well as lots of packing tips and travel tips, then I would love it if you would join this community and subscribe below. Hit that little notification bell so you get notified when I post new videos. If you're returning, thanks so much for stopping by again. I so appreciate it. But hopefully this is helpful for you if you're traveling to the Tulsa area and are looking for a hotel. All right, let's jump in.
Got a digital key for our room. There we go. Awesome.
So quickly, a few things about the room that we really loved. I love these Home2 Suites for the spaciousness of the rooms. There was a ton of storage for putting your suitcases and any kind of luggage or bags. There was lots of drawers, so if you're one of those people that like to unpack and put everything in the drawers, there was tons of space for that. There was an open concept closet as well where you can hang some things up. There were lots of outlets for plugging things in. And the big perk for me was the kitchen. I love the full kitchen. It's kind of a kitchenette, but it has a full refrigerator and a dishwasher and just a lot of amenities in the kitchen that you don't see in normal hotel rooms. There's actual dishes there too, so you can use real dishes and use the dishwasher. Super, super nice. So I really liked that a lot. The space in the room was probably one of the biggest perks. And there's also a complimentary breakfast, which I find to be something that's very important when we're on a road trip and we want to be able to just grab something before we hit the road and not have to stop somewhere or eat a cereal bar. There was a lot of variety. There were breakfast sandwiches, there were waffles, there was a whole oatmeal bar, there was toast and bagels and lots of different juice options, coffee of course, and it was just a nice variety of foods.
Yep. What do you guys think about the breakfast at the Home2 Suites?
Great.
Great.
The only downside from our experience at this particular Home2 Suites, just on our visit, now I think they were kind of taking care of this when we left, but the pool area was actually kind of dirty. It was real cute. The pool area was really cute. They had a great little kind of splash area, shallow area for little kids with little fountains, and that was awesome. They had a grill, they had 2 grills and a nice little area if you were coming with a group of people and wanted to meet outside and have a little cookout together. And like I said, the pool area was really cute. It just wasn't clean when we went. There were some wrappers along the edge of the pool area. There was actually some trash in the pool. I think somebody came to clean it up like the day we were leaving.
Yay! Somebody's cleaning up the pool area. Maybe it'll be nicer tonight.
Yeah. I hope so.
So, you know, it was just kind of unfortunate during our stay. We did, however, still use the pool. I was like, you know, any chlorine in the pool is probably gonna kill any kind of stuff in there anyway, so it's not a big deal. We always look for pools when we go to hotels because that's a big perk for my kids. That was really the only downside for us. Otherwise, the location was great, the amenities were great, the space was awesome, the breakfast was great. Really didn't have any other problems with this hotel, and we were very happy with our stay. I hope you enjoy this quick tour and a little bit of info about this hotel. Drop a comment or a question below. If you have any questions, I'll try my best to answer those. But if you're looking for a hotel in the Tulsa area, this is a great place to stay, and we would definitely stay there again. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys on the next video.